experiments. For the first one, I'm going to do something that I've named the milk that's scared of the soap. So for this, we need milk, soap, this just in case because we need to pour this on here, and then we need buds, we need food coloring, and that's pretty much what you need, and also a plate. Okay, so first we will be pouring the milk on the plate. That's enough. And now we are going to keep this soap and going to keep the soap on here. A second. Oopsie. Yes. Now let's take the food coloring and apply a little bit on the milk. So now we take the cotton bud and take the soap and dip it in it, and now see the magic here. It's beautiful. So now, as you can see here, the milk contains fats. This soap breaks the fat, and you can see it like the milk is spreading. As you can see in the name, it even looks like the milk is scared of the soap. And even the reactions are beautiful. Okay, so this was my first experiment. Now let's move on to the second experiment. For the second experiment, we need a plate, we need water, we need a glass, a candle, a matchstick, and we also, that's all. So, first we light up the matchstick. Pour the wax and let's place it. Yes. Now let's pour some water. Now let's place this glass above the candle. Soon you will see here that the candle will slowly use all the oxygen. Now it's done. And now do you see the water filling? It's because when all the oxygen was used, there was lower air pressure here and higher air pressure on the atmosphere. So here, when the air was cooling down, there is more space left. The water took up the space, and that's why you could see the water filling up. And this was our second experiment. Now let's move to the last but not least, the third experiment. Before that, let's clean up the space. It's always important to clean up the space when you're done with an activity. Now for our next one, the third one. Let's get a bottle, more water. So let's take some food coloring so that you can see it properly. Let's also take this so that we can pierce a hole. You can also use anything else like a skewer or a knife to cut here. And now let's start with our project. Let's also just take the plate and remove the candle from it. Yes. So now you can see, let's fill this empty bottle with some water. I'm done adding the water. Now let's add the food coloring and mix it so that you can see clearly. Now time to mix. Done. Now, let's pierce a hole here. As you can see, the water is coming out. This is because I punched a hole, and from here, there's lots of air pressure right now here, and it's forcing the water to come out from the hole. Now, let's see what happens when I close the cap. It stops. It is because now inside there is no air pressure, and now outside the bottle, is lots of air pressure. This air pressure closes the hole and it does not let any water come out. And this was our third experiment. Now we're done with all our experiments. Thank you for watching. Bye.